I'm gonna do a cleanup of the old truck today. Then I'd show a cold start. Quick walkthrough. That's cruise control. That's a 1406 Edelbrock carburetor on Edelbrock Performer. High-rise. See, I've got an HEI ignition conversion done back there. Air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, of course. That's a 360. That's stock exhaust manifolds. Although I have a set of headers in the garage. This one I pulled off and painted when I put exhaust manifold gaskets on. This one I didn't have to do anything to yet. So let's get a cold start. It's kind of chilly this morning. All right. Electric choke. So one press. 8-track. There we go. First things first. Thing runs like a champ. A set of flow masters in there. Duals. Time to clean her up. That big fan makes the helm slip a little bit when you rev it. Thank you, Mr. Handler. Alright. Full-time four-wheel drive means it's easy to get in and out of that gravel parking spot. Now we're going to wash her up.